So guys, the Bitbama KYC is ongoing at the moment. You can download the app from the website to do your KYC while waiting for the app to be approved on Play Store or on App Store according to the team. But at the moment, if you've been claiming daily points about Bitbama, the read to end crypto exchange, something like that. So this is it. You can now do your KYC to be able to send and receive. You, of course, you know what the KYC means. So this is it. From the website where you've been claiming your daily points, you come here, you click on this Bitbama, this logo, their logo on the website you've been claiming the points from. And you can still register if you are yet to register as a new member. You can register now and start claiming. They are listing next year. So their KYC has commenced already just today. So you can register now and start claiming. The registration link will be dropped in the pin post in the comment section or check the description box. And if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on potential updates. Airdrop back to back, information back to back. Don't miss it. So you click on this Bitbama logo. It will tell you download the 100 APK. Then you can proceed to download the 100 APK. After downloading the 100 APK, you log in with your details from this website, or the details you use in creating the account here. You log in, then it will automatically bring the KYC option for you. It's tell you to proceed with the selfie. You proceed with the selfie. You take a selfie and tell you to connect your wallet. So this is it. I don't know if I'll be able to connect wallet. So let me use MetaMask. And guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can do it to hit the subscribe button. As well as there are other opportunities to make money from cryptocurrency, not just airdrop. You don't want to miss out on this season. Don't sleep only on airdrop. There are other ways to earn money from cryptocurrency. Buying potential login coin now and holding for next bull run. You want to know the kind of coins to buy in your wallet? Then hit me up. You want to learn about cryptocurrency? You want to start trading? You want to learn the fundamentals of cryptocurrency? You want to be able to do some things by yourself? Then come take a crypto course. Futures trading, come on board. So I'm expecting the wallet to pop up, the sign-in button to pop up from here. Maybe I should go back and claim again. Verify wallet. Okay, continue. Ensure you connected your wallet through the provided link. We should see a sign-in message. I don't know. I had they had listing on Arbitrum. Okay, so it's opening here on my MetaMask browser. So let's see. I just need to show you guys because of some people. When you start explaining and people are not seeing how you are doing it, they'll be like, you are doing some magic here. So I don't know. Let's see. I think I should have opened the link. I should have just copied the link from the normal browser and paste it on the MetaMask browser or your Trust Wallet browser, whichever you want to use. I think it will have been more seamless like that. Yeah. Where is MetaMask? I should have just copied the bitbama.io link from the normal browser I was using and paste it on the MetaMask browser. It will have been more easier, and I won't need to. So this is the sign-in I was waiting for. So I'm using Arbitrum network. My MetaMask is on Arbitrum 1. Arbitrum, they are listing on Arbitrum, so take note. Is that after you've logged in on the app, you can just copy the link the link that open on the regular browser, you can just copy the link and paste it on the MetaMask browser, on the Trust Wallet browser, so that it will be seamless. And if you are not even pasting it, if you are not pasting, you can follow what I just did here. Okay, confirm you are not a bot. Interacting in the okay. Change network Arbitrum. I'm not changing network. I'm using a transaction fee. So you need transaction fee to connect this wallet, according to them. You need transaction fee. Look at it. It's 0.0005, like some few cents. So that was why I use this MetaMask, because I'm having Ethereum on Arbitrum One network. For those that meted AVV profile, if you still have some Ethereum, some ETH on Arbitrum remaining, you can use it to do your Bitbama verification. So if I just click on verify, let's see. Okay, confirm. Transaction submitted. You see what I did? Your wallet interaction was successful. Return to mobile. You got it. You see, it's just seamless. I'm not rating you now. Not now. I'm busy. So it's seamless. I use Arbitrum ETH on Arbitrum One network. It's just a click of button. That was why I had to make this video, to show people. So now we return back to the app to continue the KYC process. My wallet has been verified with some tokens. Congratulations, you have completed your KYU. You can now send and receive Bitbama off chain. Our own transaction would be launched soon. We will keep you updated. As simple as that. The first one was take a selfie, and the second one was to verify your wallet, at least to know that your wallet address is intact. It's not the bot's wallet. So this wallet is what I've been using. I use some few gas fees, I think maybe $1. How much did they even charge me safe? So automatically my end Bitbama token has been on my wallet. So it has been verified. This is what I can send and withdraw. I'm eligible for withdrawal now when they come on board. You see, available 1,000. So this is what I can withdraw until some referrals go do their KYC if they want to. And I believe everyone should try and do their KYC. If you are seeing this video, if you are just registering, you can register now, do your KYC, so that you can claim this thing will be worth a while. How was I had to sacrifice that few days? It's just a change anyway. So the KYC, let me see how much they deducted from the dollar. From what I was having like $2 ETH. Let me show you what is remaining so that you know what you need. But it's less than $2 actually. It's less than $2. ARB Ethereum. I use ARB Ethereum. For those that did AVV, you can use the ARB Ethereum. So let's see. Oh wow. $1 something cents. Like $1.30 or 27 cents. That was what they charged me. $1.27. So that is how to do your Bitbama KYC. As simple as that. You can proceed to do with the KYC at the moment, and that's all. So that you can secure your position for the launch. If you are just seeing this video, register, do your KYC. And you can also reach out to me for any of my paid services, cryptocurrency training, crypto trading, list of potential lodging coins to buy and hold for next bull run. All of those amazing other opportunities are what we offer. I'll drop my WhatsApp contacts. You can hit me on WhatsApp for those services. Any questions about airdrop should be on the comment section, please. If you are asking me a question about airdrop, please drop your question on the comment section. If you want to make inquiry or you are interested in starting up with cryptocurrency trading, training, list of coins to buy, other paid services, hit me up on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more potential amazing updates. Bye for now.